What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy Pseudo in Shadow 1. So you need Pseudo to create Crystal in Shadow 1. So what you need to do is open your phone, and once you have unlocked your supplier, which is Shirley Watts, then you can select the supplier in your messages. So go to Shirley Watts messages and you can send her a message. So if you are just starting out, then you can select the order a dead drop in game. So once you have done this, you can select the preferred amount of Pseudo and place the order. If you click on place order, then the Pseudo will be ordered, and it will take about 2.5 hours in game time to get these supplies delivered in the dead drop. And there is another option if you got trust with your seller. So if she is trusting you, then you can set up a meetup. And if you select that, she will send a location where she will be located for the next 6 hours. So she will be under the bridge for the next 6 hours. What we will do, we will go there and check it out how it works. If you would like to buy a big amount of supplies, then this is the ideal option. So what you need to do is talk to Shirley, and once you are talking to her, then you can enter the preferred amount of Pseudo you would like to buy. Let's say you would like to buy 300 instead of a stock limit of 10, then you can enter that, add it to your cart and purchase it. And now the Pseudo will be added to your inventory and the leftover stock will be placed on this delivery bay. So you can bring it to your warehouse, and after that you can get the last stock to bring it also to your warehouse. And this is how you get Pseudo in Shadow 1. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!